Today is April 17th, 2026, and I'm gonna talk about the two trades that I ended up taking. And one of them was an avoidable break even. So I'm gonna talk about that right now. Let me just put this down. Okay, so ended up taking two trades today. On on market open. So let's get into that. Let me backtrack real quick. So see 8:30. Boom. Um okay. So 8:30 market open, insanely bullish. We were pumping since fucking this whole, like, basically this whole week we were fucking pumping. Um and yeah, that was really it. And today I'm gonna talk about like break even management, because one of my trades would have been a dub, but I got break even. And I should have used fucking context to my break even. At this point in time, I was looking for an inversion after fully mitigating this 15-minute slash 30-minute gap. We have this relative, like, basically equal lows up here with this 5 minute. Um, and yeah, I like this trade overall. I could say the structure is a little iffy, but like since we're super bullish and the draw is super clear at this point, I was willing to put risk on the table. So I ended up taking this 30-second short right here, targeting this 5 minute, just this 5 minute, just my little piece of the pie. Ended up taking this trade. Still liked it. All I can say really is the structure is kind of iffy, but still liked it overall. Um, so when I actually went break even was not here, not here yet. Boom, right here. I literally get edged. My TP gets edged by literally like maybe a tick, bro. Maybe a tick, dead ass, and maybe gets edged by a tick. And then I'm like, alright, bro, I'm not going break even yet, because like, but we're definitely gonna take this, right? So then we just start chopping around the rest of like for fucking. Hold on, let me see. How long did we chop around for? I want to break even around here because at this point I'm like, bro, we edged my TP once. We edged my TP one, two, three fucking times, bro. We edged my TP three times. And at this point, I'm like, all right, are we gonna take this fucking 5 minute or not, bro? So I went break even here because we started just consolidating, bro. We started just stalling here. It just made no sense. Why are we stalling here? We're just so close to my TP. And also high time frame candle was fun to open, so I'll just wait. And the high time frame candle, which was the 15-minute candle opening, was gonna open, and so I just waited and waited and waited, and again get edged again one more time, and then I get breaking. Alright, then I get fucking break even. So then I'm like, alright, bet. Let's see, maybe because now we have fucking one, two, like three relative equal highs with this 5 minute. At this point, I'm looking for another long position. So yeah, we create this 5 minute. We put in an SMT with ES. ES at this point in time ended up putting in a new 30-minute gap. We ended up, yeah, sweeping this 30-minute gap. And also creating in turn an SMT. So I was looking for this 1 minute to get inverse. We eventually do get this inverse right here. Ended up taking a long position. Put my stop loss around like 50% of this wick, and I was just looking to get a 1-on-1 here at this point. Just take my piece of the pie. No point of holding all the way to all-time highs. Yeah, we just started fucking. So eventually we took my TP here. And then I went break even. I went break even around like here, and then Birdo, I gotta stop that at break even. Uh, Overall, I do want to say something. It wasn't a 1-on-1 either. This trade, yeah, it wasn't a 1-on-1. But I do want to say something. This break even was avoidable, and I should have not went break even here. The reason why I went break even, context of why you go and break even, and do you really think this low time frame 5 minute gap is gonna send price lower and manipulate all the way down with all this confirmation, with the SMT, with these fucking rejection wicks, all the order blocks, all this defense for this trade, and plus the mitigation of this third. Look at the 30-minute and the 15-minute chart at this point in time. Look at this wick. We're perfectly respecting this 30-minute gap. We're respecting this 15-minute gap. We have the SMT with everything. So the main reason I want to get here is why are you going break even at a low time frame gap? You know, I should have let my fucking trade breathe and have some room for this to play out. I mean, dude, do you really expect price to reverse off this more discounted 5-minute gap? Even this premium more 5-minute gap, do you expect price to fucking reverse off there and go to your stop loss? No. I mean, bro, if you put it in the context, why did you go break even there? I don't know, maybe I wanted to risk off, I don't know, but I gotta stop being so mechanical with your break evens. So I gotta stop being super. I'm being super mechanical with my break evens. I gotta look at it from a context and narrative standpoint of why am I going break even. This trade should have been a win if I didn't go break even, but I decided not to. I decided to break even and it went straight to my TP. And break evens is literally supposed to help you avoid losses, and this literally avoided me a win. So I really want to say that, bro. Next time, for me, I'm making this video. I want just look at the context of this break even. Is this a valid break even? Now, I already said this, bro. If you look at the high time frame, we're super bullish, bro. We're almost at all-time highs. What is the what do you think price is gonna really reverse off this low time frame 5-minute? Probably not, bro. Probably fucking not. So that's really it. Just like that's all I want to tell myself is this a good break even? Is this a good point of reversal? Like I think price is gonna reverse from there? Or is this like a fucking mechanical break even and you're just gonna break even because fuck it, I'm gonna go break even. And it's not really saving me from a loss, bro. I mean, bro, we have this fair value gap out here. I think we opened up a 2-minute gap. We opened up a 2-minute gap that we're holding. We have this fair value gap here that we ended up respecting. We have this order block right here, CID. Bro, we have a lot of stuff that is defending my fucking stop loss. Plus, you can't even talk about, bro, the 15-minute time frame. Holy rejection wicks, the 30-minute time frame. The rejection wicks are insane, bro. So that's it. That's all I want to talk about. It's just this shit. Like it's it's just like, bro, look, you know, look, is this bullish or bearish, bro? Like, do you think this 5 minutes is really gonna send price lower? No. So that's really all I want to say, bro. Just stop going mechanically with your break evens and actually put context to your break evens. Maybe look. Now this would have been better if this was a 1 hour gap. Let's say this was a 1 hour gap, and let's say we're not at all-time highs and we're about to reach all-time highs. Then yes, this would have been a fucking W place to go break even at because now we have resistance at your stop loss. At your we have resistance to your TP. We could reverse off this 1 hour gap because this is a high time frame gap, and we're not at this point. We're not at all time highs. Like for example, we're not at all time highs. And let's say there's a fucking data wick below us or some shit. Like now that's a fucking beautiful time to go break even at because price most likely would reverse off there. But these are 5-minute low time frame gaps that are we are at all-time highs plus we are all-time highs. And if you look at the 15-minute gap, 15-minute time frame, you see the rejection wicks we're having and respecting of this 15-minute gap plus the 30-minute gap. So do you really expect price to really come lower and stop you out and then go higher to all-time highs? Probably not. With the SMT, with everything defending my trade, this should have been a win, but it was bad to go break even there. And then that's all I really want to talk about. But yeah, that's really it. Bad to go break even there. Stop going mechanically break even. That's really it, bro.